your tongue, the color of your tongue, and what it means to health. Your tongue is an extension of your GI tract. Your GI tract starts from your tongue all the way down to your anus. It connects every organ, essential organ, okay? So it's essential that you keep the GI tract clean. Now, when your tongue is pink, it's healthy, okay? When it becomes white, that's acute. When it becomes yellow, that's subacute. Green to brown, that's chronic. And black, well, is degenerating right now. It's almost toxic, so to speak. And that's how you tell the state of your gut. If it's black, that means your gut is truly is breaking down essentially. If it's yellow, brown, that's the chronic stage. So you want to make sure it's healthy. So one way of testing to see how healthy your tongue is to dry fast 1 full day, or just eat fruits for 2 full days and then check your tongue, and you should see the color of your tongue. For most people, they're gonna have a lot of mucus buildup on it, and it's like a white coat, a thick white coat. That's not a good sign either. That shows a lot of lymph buildup. And this is a handy tool to use, okay? It's a tongue scraper, and every morning you scrape your tongue with it, okay? And if you scrape your tongue, you see a lot of white stuff coming out of it, that's a bad sign. You need to detox, okay? You need to detox quickly. So whatever it might show you, don't get scared. It just gives you an opportunity to fix things. You go 100% fruits, okay? Try a grape only diet, 10, 20, 30 day grape only diet. Use herbs for the stomach, clean the stomach with a GI broom or GI cleaner. Okay, get the kidneys filtering. I cannot tell you enough, the kidneys are crucial, because if the kidneys don't filter, the acids back up, they start to affect the stomach gut area. It leads to a host of issues you cannot even imagine. You want the gut to be clean, you got to clean the kidneys. You got to get the adrenals working, because the adrenals affect autonomic nerve movements, which includes the bowel movement. Okay, so you want to work on that as well. As you can see, everything is interconnected. Okay, so like I said, use a tongue scraper every morning to scrape out any mucus from your tongue, any residue, and you're looking for a pink tongue. Okay, the pinker there is, the better. Not red, but pink. And any color after that, well, you have to work on yourself. Hope this helps.